นี่เลยเนี่ย
ใช่ไงตัวระวังลื่นนะโอ้บเหลือละ
โอ้ยโคตรเยอะเลย
มันจะไปได้กันนี่มันจะลื่นก็
ลื่นอยู่แล้วแหละค่อยๆเดินไปนั่นแหละ
อ้วน
ช้า
คุณอ๋อนี่กำลังมาพอบ้านมาได้ค่ะไปเลยโอ้โหจะมิดรถอยู่แล้วอ่ะผู้ตายแล้วตัวความเสียหายหนักกว่าบ้านเขาของเยอะในรถมาเปิดนะ
เข้าไปเลย
เปิดแฟลชเด้อเปิดเอง
เปิดไหน
เอานะ
เลย
หันก่อนมองหันก่อน
เห็นทุก
เนี่ยลาบูบู
น้องยังไม่จมน้ำตายน้องลาบูบูยังปลอดภัย
ที่ยันรอดอยู่กับไมโครเวฟต้องซื้อหรือใส่ใหม่หมดเลย
Chiang Mai Thai video, Jacques reporting for you. Actually, daughter Som is reporting for you with the first impressions of the house after the floods. The water is just gone and what's left is a lot of mud and debris. Everything is wasted. You see in the video, everything is wasted. Even my desk collapsed. The kitchen's cabinet is floating through the kitchen. One refrigerator floating through the kitchen, the other one was saved. I think it was saved because we could stack it a little bit higher up a meter. The water was a meter inside the house, and all the cabinets, they are everything. We tried to put things up, but I tried to put things up on the table, but the tabletop was flooded. My desktop was flooded. The complete desk has collapsed. Everything above a meter. Yeah, and there is not much what you can put up more than a meter. There was some cabinets at the wall. The television is on one of those cabinets. Everything else we have to clean up. So yeah, we're a YouTube channel, lifestyle YouTube channel, almost a real life soap. You will see it all. You will see the cleaning. You will see the aftermath as well. We're now at a small resort here outside Chiang Mai. It's rather far outside of Chiang Mai. I think it's 3/4 of an hour. The girls arranged this. It's rather cheap and it's safe. Now tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow we will move in closer to the city. We will move to an hotel, Villa Oranje Chiang Mai, hotel of a friend. It's in the city, so we're closer by to make some action. You have to clean up. You have a job to do. Now this was a short video just to keep you updated. When you are thinking about living in Chiang Mai, you have to find high grounds, and yeah, even grounds there were never flooded before, they're flooded now, so yeah. And we see apartment buildings, when the basement of the apartment buildings is flooded, the electricity is shut off and people are evacuated. So that's another thing too. You have to find higher grounds at the other side of town. So what will it be? West side, northwest. Yeah, northwest, something like that. Niman, they are safe. Yeah, the area was much bigger than we expected to flood. And yeah, some people make a mistake with it. We didn't know. The house is already built for 20 years. It's never happened before. Last week it was close. 2 years ago it was across the road, but not at the house. Now this is a flood that has never been in 50 years, maybe even longer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Like and subscribe, and I see you later. See you later. Good.